What's going on, guys? It's Dasher here. Welcome to another video. And today we'll be unboxing the Logitech G502 Hero. Now this is one of the best gaming mice that you could buy for the money, and it has really good reviews. So inside the box you'll get the mouse, a Logitech sticker, and then this little booklet from Logitech. It says keep playing. It's basically just telling you thank you for buying our product. So that's pretty cool. So further inside the box, you'll get your little weights for the mouse, which is really nicely packaged actually. So these can go on the bottom of the mouse if you feel like it. So if you are one of those players that likes a really heavy mouse, all you gotta do is pop this magnetic cover off, just like this. And you can put the weights inside here. You also get instructions on how to use the mouse. And I'm pretty sure that you guys don't want to hear about that. I'll tell you all about it anyways. And yeah, and like I said, you do get the mouse right here. So let's get further into the mouse. So this mouse here is a really good size compared to the other one that I have. So for example, I have this Corsair Harpoon, and this is a really good mouse for money as well. You guys should look into this if you have small hands, or if your budget's not that, if you don't have a high budget. This thing's like 20 bucks, I believe. But as you can see, like compared to my hands, it is very small. So I have to use this sort of claw grip right here. And don't get me wrong, it does the job well, but like it's really uncomfortable for long periods of time. But when you go back to this mouse, it fits the hand, like it fits my hand so perfectly. See, it's a very big and it's very reliable, as you can see. The grips are made of this rubber-like material on both sides right here, so it'll help you out when you're doing your gaming and everything like that, or if you're just, you know, cruising along the internet or whatever. The mouse has this really cool option that my other mouse does not have, and it's this button right here. If you click this, it makes your scroll wheel infinite, and you can switch between it. So if I want that, or if I want just a regular size like this, like a regular feeling mouse, the scroll wheel feels really good. Feels like it's made of quality. This mouse has 11 programmable buttons, which is really cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And if you click in, it also can count as a thing as well. So that is really nice actually. Now the cord is braided, which is another step up from the mouse that I have. This means that it will be more durable over time, which is really good. And it is a USB Type-C cable. Something that is really cool about this mouse as well is that it is RGB, as you can see. Something that I absolutely love about this mouse is that it is just so smooth compared to the one that I had before. You notice it very well when you're gaming, as well as when you're just browsing through the internet or everything. There's this sniper button right here where my thumb is. And what happens is when you hold down the sniper button, as you can see right here, you notice that these LEDs flash, indicating that you're in sniper mode. And what it does is it makes your DPI less. So it's useful when you're a sniper, and like when you're playing those sniper games, and when you aim in and you zoom in and then you press the sniper button, it helps you with extra accuracy and everything like that. So I actually ended up putting all the weights into the back of the mouse, and it really does make the mouse feel even more smooth than I thought it would be. You can really feel the difference between when you have no weights in it versus when you put all the weights in it. And I think it helps putting all the weights in it for my type of style of play, because I am a very low sensitivity player. Something to note about this mouse is the fact that it comes with Logitech G-Hub software, as you can see right here. And it does automatically, as soon as when you install it and everything, it does show you that, look, it says new firmware update available for the G502 Hero. So you're going to click install, and then you are going to click install, and then you just let it update its firmware. It will then tell you that the firmware update is successful, and all you gotta do is click the X button, and you can click on the mouse right here. Now this is really cool. This light sync technology, it basically lets you customize everything that you want about the mouse. So the brightness, the rate, as you can see, it gives you different effects and stuff that you can use. For example, I will be using the fixed, and I will be using the color red to match my setup. And as you can see right here, sync lighting options, and right there, see, you can see that the mouse is showing red. And then if you look at my setup right here, you'll see that the mouse is in fact red. Now the overall verdict that I have with this mouse is it is definitely worth the money if you can get it for $50 like what I did. Even if it's original price, which is $80 on the website, I still think it's worth it because you can just feel the quality of this item. This will last you a very, very long time. It has a lot of features and a lot of different buttons that I never even thought about before, so you guys are basically set on that. And it is very, very good when you game. I have currently been gaming for around 2 hours with this mouse, and I see no problems at all. So if you guys like the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.